Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to disable mobile hotspot on Windows 11. So mobile hotspot is a handy features on Windows 11, allows your cell phones or other electronics device to share your computer internet connections. And sometimes your mobile hotspot can be risky as it can be vulnerable to an unauthorized access. And then I'll show you how to disable. So the first solutions we will do is on computer settings. All you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So, dito lang sa left side menu and then select mo lang dito yung network and internet. So, click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa right side ay scroll down ka lang. And then makikita mo na dito yung mobile hotspot. Alright? So, dapat naka-turn off itong button niya. So, kapag naka-turn on, and then dapat i-turn off mo siya. Alright? So, in other solutions or method na pwede natin gawin. So, close lang natin tong settings. So, dito lang ulit sa search menu and dito sa search for app. So, type mo lang dito yung registry editor and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa registry editor, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK local machine. So, double click ka lang. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung software. So, double click ulit. And dito lang sa software, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung Microsoft. So, double click ulit. And dito sa Microsoft, ang next step ay locate lang natin yung WCMSC. So, scroll down and then ilocate natin yung WCMSBC. Ayan, ito siya. So, i-click mo lang yan. Double click ulit. And then, dito lang sa WCMS BCI, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung tethering. Ito siya. Okay? So, one time click mo lang itong tethering. So, click mo lang yan. And then, dito lang sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung remote startup disabled. Okay? So, kapag wala kang makitang ganitong settings, so pwede ka naman mag-create. So, right click ka lang. Select mo lang dito yung new and then yung key and then select mo lang dito yung DWORD 32-bit value and then i-rename mo lang siyang remote startup disabled. Alright? Okay, so ang next step, so select mo lang yan and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click and pop up itong edit DWORD 32-bit value. So dito sa value data yung 0 ay change mo lang into 1 and then dito sa base ay select mo lang dito yung hexadecimal and then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so once na-click mo na yung OK and then next solution na pwede natin gawin. So close lang natin tong registry editor, close and then dito lang ulit sa search menu and dito sa search for app. So kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung gpedit.msc and so, kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na gpedit.msc and then, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung open. And ito yung tinatawag ng local group policy editor. So, ang next step, so dito lang sa computer configurations ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung administrative templates. So, double click ka lang. And dito sa administrative templates, so ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung network. So, double click ulit. And then dito sa network, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung network connections. So, dito ay click mo lang one time. So, click mo lang siya. And then dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung kanyang settings. Okay, so dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung prohibit use internet connection sharing on your DNS domain network. Okay, ito siya. So, ang gagawin mo lang, so select and then double click. And then, pop up itong kanyang settings. So, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung enable. Okay? So, click mo lang yung enabled. And then, click mo lang dito yung apply. And then, click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito, then close lang natin at dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to disable mobile hotspot on Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.